welcome to this channel. I am so excited to be here. So today we're going to talk quickly about a really great feature that so many e-commerce and subscription businesses have no idea that you can even use. Today we're going to talk about how to add the swipe up on your Instagram if you do not have 10,000 followers. If you are an Instagram lover, you probably already know that you don't have that amazing swipe up feature that so many people talk about. And so many people want to get to 10,000 followers so they can get that swipe up feature. There are a few little hacks that you can do to still get a swipe up feature, but you don't have to have the 10,000 followers. So I'm gonna walk you through on this little tutorial on my phone. Pay attention and you can implement this today for your business. So wasn't that so easy? So you can start doing that today on your phone and every day swipe up to those amazing products that you have on your Shopify store. So this is for my Shopify friends. So anyone that sells e-commerce products on Shopify, make sure you're leveraging that. You want to be using that swipe up feature for your products every single day to promote different things that you sell. And of course, once you get to 10,000 followers, you can then include any outside links, including your blog posts, or really any other things that you want to include. I hope that was helpful. If you guys love this video, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.